Do your children love Harry Potter as much as you do? Stare longingly at the door for a Hogwarts letter to arrive? We know ours certainly do. There are plenty of Harry Potter walking tours out there, and we don't want to make another one. Instead, we wanted to focus on the most immersive and most magically delightful Harry Potter experience you've ever had, so that you'll put it on your must-see list for London. The cure for the Muggle blues is a visit to London, England. Everything in London gives you that Harry Potter vibe. Just getting around the city from the underground tubes to the double-decker buses, you could easily imagine entrances to the Ministry of Magic around every corner. I'm sure you know the usual Harry Potter sites in London. Walking the hallways in Westminster Abbey is the perfect place to experience the cold stone hallways of Hogwarts in person. It's a great stop for selfies, videos, and other Harry Potter photo ops. You can go to King's Cross Station for your trademarked trolley shot and some preschool shopping. But have you been to the House of Spells, a delightfully off-brand wizarding shop? You can get all kinds of wonderful things there. You're obviously aware of and perhaps even visited the famed Warner Brothers studio tour. Be sure to book well ahead as tickets are very limited. There you can see all kinds of sets, costumes, and other assorted pieces from the Harry Potter movies. Another perfect opportunity for all your wizarding portraits. But here it is. Now it's time to tell you about our number one stop in all of London. So you need to sit back, pour yourself a butterbeer in your favorite pub, and get ready for the best Harry Potter experience in London that you've never heard of.
For those select few who possess the predisposition, I can teach you how to bewitch the mind and ensnare the senses. I can tell you how to bottle fame, brew glory, and even put a stopper in death.
Welcome to the Cauldron, an unassuming pub of sorts. The Cauldron is a place where you and your kids are transported into a potion-making wizarding experience that will leave you feeling like actual witches and wizards, if only for an hour or two. The potions you make here are all drinkable and very tasty. They've even made allowances in the potion instructions that allow grown-up witches and wizards to make drinks a little more potent. The actors/servers/potions masters will guide you and your children in your potion making, and they also provide exciting pyrotechnics to liven up an already exciting experience. now that you've heard of the Cauldron, be sure to include it in your Harry Potter London tour.